almost 10 weeks pregnant with twins. It's May 25th, 2012, and it's my 34th birthday. A little bit hard to find.